How to sign out of Apple Music. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign out of Apple Music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Signing out of Apple Music is actually quite very simple, but you should not do it from the Apple Music app itself. You have to actually open up the settings application here, tap on your Apple ID profile, then here you can see media and purchases. So tap on media and purchases and tap on sign out. So when you tap on media and purchases and you tap on sign out, you'll be signed out of your Apple Music as well. Now if you don't believe me, then you can simply go to this view account section over here and then simply verify with your Face ID or anything as such. Then once you verified with your Face ID over there, here you can see Apple Music, which means that Apple Music is also included inside of media and purchases, and also means that if you sign out of media and purchases here, you'll be signed out of Apple Music. This way you can sign out of Apple Music. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.